Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the awesome Lights4fun LED Acrylic Snowman figure. Woo! 34 centimeters! We can use it indoor and outdoor. That's awesome! One LED acrylic snowman figure, illuminated by 40 up to 200 white LEDs. The dimensions and the height are 34 centimeters. The width are 25 centimeters. And the deep is 16 centimeters. The main power is 24-volt transformer and a 5-meter cable. That means you can plug it in and have fun. You will not need any kind of batteries. It's for indoor and outdoor use because it is IP44. IP44 is awesome because it means it is a good thing to get it out there. IP44 means that there is a protection of about incoming obstacles, incoming threats, what's protected from. And it is splash water protected from all sides over. Of course, you cannot go with it into the swimming pool, of course, but you can use it outdoor, no prob. It's really beautiful, as you can see, and it is so unique, really unique. It looks awesome. This little guy brings hearts to melt. And the nose was not on the place where it belongs to. So let's fix it fast by using hot glue. It's so simple. But this is not normal. This is a little accident. But it remains for our room, season after season, even if the snow has melted for a long time. Equipped with a red scarf and Christmas hat, it is not only popular for indoor use, but also outdoors in the cold winter air. The IP44 plug is ideal for outdoor use, but if we don't have a power outlet outside, this is no problem. Thanks to an inconspicuous 5-meter cable, there is plenty of room for manoeuvre. Once the snowman is connected to a power source, the 40 cool white LEDs illuminate and spread a frosty, cheerful Christmas atmosphere. And that it is. This is the spirit of Christmas. Lights everywhere and a nice feeling in all hearts out there. Merry Christmas with the Lights4fun LED acrylic snowman figure. It looks really beautiful and we need a wire connection and this is good. Of course, we can use it without lights too, no prob, because it is so handmade and it is so beautiful for winter time and the all winter time long. This little body will shines into our hearts easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.